Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Satoshi Shawn. You are at the Cryptopolitan, your one-stop shop for all news when it comes to cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. A few things to go over today. A lot of regulatory and tax stuff I wanted to kind of hit on and give my opinion on. But if it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Try to get out reports to you every day. And a weekend report as well. If it's your first time here, long time viewer, please crush the like button. Really helps us out. Let's head over to the Cryptopolitan, where we have all your news in easy to find sections, whether it's Bitcoin, regulatory, altcoins, coin analysis, scam alerts, meetups, um, all right there at your fingertips. But first, an Australian fintech firm has received approval from the, I never knew this, the Australian Securities and Investment Commission. That's actually called ASIC. Pretty ironic. But they got approved for a $12 million fund, which is the first. It's kind of like ETF, the first in Australia. It's really, I think, big news. Australia's always been really friendly towards the sphere, but it's a lot more institutional money moving into the market, which is always good, always very, very good. Next, a crypto exchange, ZipMex. They got the first exchange to get the license this year from the Thai Securities and Exchange Commission. They're a big, huge exchange, which I had not known of. Um, so I'm going to look into that personally and see if they have a utility coin, because it's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisors. Always do your own research, but definitely something I want to look into. Shiny. Right. Crypto gains South Korea. This is something I wanted to go over. That it seems to be moving ahead very, very quickly. Not just South Korea, but all over the world. Whatever the tax authority is in your country, this year seems to be the year they're really starting the regulatory framework for taxation. Uh, South Korea is going to tax crypto transactions in the same venue as like lottery winnings and stuff like that. Or is it? It's not going to be considered taxable income. They'll tax it as crypto gains, not really capital gains. Like I said, it'll fall under the lottery prize winning rules of the country, which is just a way for them, I think, to get a little bit more money out of it. I was doing my son's taxes, and I posted this on Twitter. This is an actual picture of it. It asked if I acquired any virtual currency or exchanged any, and starting this year, the IRS taxpayers they need to indicate any virtual currency transactions during the year. Virtual currency includes any type of cryptocurrency. And that even includes receipt or transfer of virtual currency for free, an exchange of virtual currency for goods or services, a sale of virtual currency, and an exchange of virtual currency for other property, including another virtual currency. Now, see, this is a huge change, because before it wasn't really a taxable event unless you exchanged your cryptocurrency for fiat. Even if you exchange it for fiat and then exchange it for back into the market, so you didn't even pull anything out, it was still considered that. But now it looks like they're even kind of swapping one for another. They're looking at that. Of course, I mean, I posted it on Twitter, and it was there's no way for them to really know about most stuff. So the comments are kind of funny, but you should check it out. And lastly, kind of the age-old debate, Bitcoin versus gold. And the story just talks about how the usual, how Bitcoin's looked at as the new digital gold or the new gold, but that most gold bugs really just complain and whine about the volatility. But people don't buy gold as a store of value for a swing trade or a day trade. It is definitely, even short long term, even crypto short long term, like a year. Okay, most long-term investors in the traditional markets, long-term is 10 to 15 years, 20 years. It's a long time. But even what they would consider a short term, crypto has been the best performing asset, period, the past decade. So if you look at digital gold, even with a massive volatility, your store of value has still increased more than it would with gold. So that argument is completely moot. It's gone. Um, sometime all that glitters is not gold. It's Bitcoin. That's about it for today. I'm still Sean. It was good hanging out with you. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.